Welcome back everyone. Today in our journey through the intervals, the minor and major sixth. Starting on the A, count up 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 half steps. Land on the F, minor sixth. Count up one half step more, land on the F sharp, major sixth. Let's do the whole thing descending. From A, walk down 8 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Land on the C sharp. A to C sharp descending, minor sixth. Let's walk down one half step more. A to C descending, major sixth. So remember, a minor sixth describes the distance between two notes where the notes are 8 half steps apart. And a major sixth describes the distance between two notes where the notes are 9 half steps apart. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and I see you for the next one.